So the specimen that you're looking at here, folks, Mr. Lavender, 100% American Pit Bull Terrier. The only purebred in the house. I guess there's some debate whether or not American Pit Bull Terrier is an actual breed or it's like a grouping. But I thought for sure Mr. Lavender's Embark DNA results would have Boxer in there. Just because he's thinking goofy, he's got the Boxer vibes sometimes. And those long front legs and the white paws. But it's not what the test results say. Came back with 100% of one type of dog. I was expecting you to be a super mutt, like my other super mutts. Actually, Shaka only has 4 that really show up, but Chai, I think, has like 9, and Ella has 12 different breeds that show up. What about you, Joanie? Definitely got some Chihuahua, right? Are you full-bred Chihuahua? Shaka is German Shepherd, Husky, American Pit Bull, and Staffordshire Pit Bull. Chai is like Doberman, Pug, German Shepherd. He says Lavender, American Pit Bull Terrier, high percentage of that. Ella's got Rat Terrier, Australian Shepherd, which is Golden Retriever, and Collie, Chow. I think Chai might actually have the Boxer. One of them has Boxer in their DNA results as well. What up, my guy? You feeling all right?